Why is it important to do group work online?
Employers say recent college graduates need more practice working in groups, particularly when working remotely. Learning how to manage online group work in school will prepare you for a career because employers want employees who can work well with others, and that takes practice. How can groups have effective communication online?
First, I found it's important to have a well-balanced team with varying strengths. Second, find group members that have similar schedules to make communication meetings easier. Third, assign someone to help the team agree on weekly work update meetings to keep communication flowing. And finally, as a group, choose a communication tool that is easy and accessible to everyone, even those who have trouble with technology. What online tools have you found help make group projects easier?
Students often use Canvas, MS Teams, Google Suite, Slack, and Zoom. Try these out next time you have a group project.